multiplicand, multiplier, product. In a multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply the given number is called the multiplier. And the answer we obtain after performing the multiplication is called the product. Example: arranging the numbers to be multiplied suitably helps us to write the product easily. Multiplication of a number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. To multiply a given number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, we put as many zeros at the end of the given number as there are in the multiplier. Example: 13 times 10 equals 100. 30, 25 times 100 equals 2000. 541 times 1000 equals 41,000. Multiplication of a number by 20, 30, 40, 90. To multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40, 90, we multiply it by 2, 3, 4, 9 respectively and insert 1 zero at the end of the product. Example: multiply 24 by 30. Solution: 24 times 30 can be written as 24 times 3 times 10. So 24 times 3 times 10 equals 72 times 10 equals 720. Similarly, 124 times 60 equals 124 times 6 times 10 equals 744 times 10 equals 7440. Expanding the multiplicand to find the product. Example: find 739 times 8 by expanding. Solution: 739 times 8 equals 700 plus 30 plus 9 times 8 equals 700 times 8 plus 30 times 8 plus 9 times 8 equals 5,600 plus 240 plus 72 equals 5,912.